Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a COSORI Air Fryer. I'm going to be showing you a demonstration. So here I have I think 5 or 6 pieces of chicken breast, and I'm going to be cutting it up, seasoning it, and putting it in the air fryer. So I'm cutting it into pretty chunky pieces, kind of just making like a sort of like a chicken tender, I guess. And here I am putting some olive oil on it. Oh, sorry, this is avocado oil. And adding salt, garlic seasoning, and some onion powder. All right, so here's the air fryer comes in 3 parts. Here's 2 of the parts. This is the basket where you put the food into, and there you'll see it's got a little protective cover, and that cover is covering a little button. That button is used to attach and detach the basket onto the bottom. There you go. And make sure you cover it back up. Otherwise you risk, opening it when you don't want to. So there I am putting in all the chicken, and all of those 5 or 6 chicken breasts all fit into this air fryer, which is great. Now, it comes with a lot of different settings where you can just hit the button and go. So, fries, roasted carrots, um, chicken wings, fish, bacon. So I actually just preset it to 380 degrees for 20 minutes. Halfway through, I took it out and mixed it around. Now, the nice thing about this is that when you take out the basket, the time stops and then it doesn't keep counting. So then when you put the basket back in, you still have all that time remaining. So there I am demonstrating again how you would push the button to release the top basket. There we go. And as you can see, all the grease and stuff that you don't want on your chicken goes down below onto the bottom basket. And here I am doing some fries. Now these are frozen fries, and again I put a tiny little bit of avocado oil on it just to crisp it up, and I hit the fry option and the go ahead button. So I took the fries out halfway because it has a shake option. So it will tell you, it'll beep at you to say, come to the air fryer, take the basket out and shake it. And that's what happens when they're done. These fries were super crispy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. So there we go. And that is the unit all intact. It looks great. It looks really big, but it actually doesn't take up that much counter space. So here I am just going to show you a couple of other things that I have made. I made some chicken wings, some roasted potatoes, some zucchini slices with Parmesan cheese. Everything is super crispy. So my final thoughts on this air fryer. This brand is fabulous. I'd never heard of it before, but it is a great air fryer. It has all the different settings that you can imagine: steak, chicken, shrimp, fish. But you also have the option to manually set whatever temperature you want and for however many minutes you'd like. So there's tons of things that you can do in this air fryer. You can do baked goods. I haven't tried that yet, But I've had this for a few weeks now, and I have used it almost every day. I'm making chicken wings, I'm making the fries, I'm making the chicken breast, I'm cooking vegetables in it. It is absolutely fantastic. I have recommended this to so many of my friends um, and my colleagues, told them that this is the best thing that you can ever get. So, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for maybe some other air fryer recipes.